Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the incredible benefits of Echinacea, a powerful herb that has been used for centuries to boost health and well-being. Often associated with immune support, Echinacea offers a range of other health benefits that can enhance your daily routine. Join us as we uncover the science behind Echinacea and how incorporating this herbal remedy into your life can transform your health. 1. The history and origins of Echinacea. Echinacea, also known as the coneflower, is a genus of flowering plants native to North America. Traditionally, Native American tribes used Echinacea for its medicinal properties, treating a variety of ailments including infections, wounds, and snake bites. The herb gained popularity in Europe during the 19th century and has since become a staple in natural medicine cabinets worldwide. There are several species of Echinacea, but the most commonly used for medicinal purposes are Echinacea purpurea, Echinacea angustifolia, and Echinacea pallida. Each species contains unique compounds that contribute to its health benefits. 2. Boosting the immune system. One of the most well-known benefits of Echinacea is its ability to support and boost the immune system. Studies have shown that Echinacea can increase the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. The herb contains bioactive compounds such as alkylamides, glycoproteins, and polysaccharides that enhance the immune response. Regular use of Echinacea has been found to reduce the severity and duration of colds and respiratory infections. By incorporating Echinacea into your health routine, you can strengthen your body's natural defenses and improve your overall immune health. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Echinacea possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders. The active compounds in Echinacea, such as flavonoids and alkaloids, inhibit inflammatory pathways and reduce the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. This makes Echinacea an effective natural remedy for managing inflammatory conditions and promoting overall health. Including Echinacea in your daily routine can help alleviate symptoms of inflammation and improve your quality of life. 4. Antioxidant powerhouse. Echinacea is rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases and aging. The antioxidants in Echinacea, such as phenolic acids and flavonoids, neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. This helps protect your cells and tissues, supports healthy aging, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Adding Echinacea to your health regimen can enhance your body's antioxidant defenses and contribute to long-term health and vitality. 5. Supporting skin health. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of Echinacea also extend to skin health. Echinacea can help soothe and heal various skin conditions, including eczema, psoriasis, and acne. The herb's antimicrobial properties make it effective in preventing and treating skin infections. Additionally, Echinacea can promote wound healing and reduce the appearance of scars. Topical applications of Echinacea extracts or creams can improve skin hydration, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall skin health. Incorporating Echinacea into your skincare routine can lead to clearer, healthier, and more radiant skin. 6. Enhancing mental well-being. In addition to its physical health benefits, Echinacea can also support mental well-being. Research has shown that Echinacea extracts can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. The herb's active compounds interact with neurotransmitters in the brain, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. Echinacea can also help improve cognitive function and reduce stress levels. By including Echinacea in your health routine, you can support both your mental and emotional health, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. 7. Supporting respiratory health. Echinacea is known for its ability to support respiratory health and alleviate symptoms of respiratory infections. The herb's immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties make it effective in treating conditions such as bronchitis, sinusitis, and the common cold. Echinacea can help reduce mucus production, soothe irritated airways, and improve breathing. Regular use of Echinacea during cold and flu season can help prevent respiratory infections and promote overall respiratory health. Adding Echinacea to your health routine can keep your respiratory system functioning optimally and reduce the risk of respiratory illnesses. 8. Promoting digestive health. Echinacea can also benefit digestive health by promoting a healthy gut and improving digestion. The herb's antimicrobial properties help maintain a balanced gut microbiome by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. Echinacea can also stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, enhancing nutrient absorption and reducing digestive discomfort. Including Echinacea in your health routine can support a healthy digestive system, reduce symptoms of indigestion, and improve overall gut health. 9. Cardiovascular benefits. Echinacea's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can contribute to cardiovascular health by reducing the risk of heart disease. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are significant risk factors for cardiovascular conditions such as atherosclerosis and hypertension. By reducing inflammation and neutralizing free radicals, Echinacea can help protect the heart and blood vessels. Additionally, some studies suggest that Echinacea can improve cholesterol levels and support healthy blood pressure. Incorporating Echinacea into your daily routine can promote heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 10. How to incorporate Echinacea into your health routine. There are several ways to incorporate Echinacea into your health routine to experience its numerous benefits. Echinacea is available in various forms, including capsules, tinctures, teas, and topical products. To boost your immune system, you can take Echinacea supplements daily, especially during cold and flu season. Drinking Echinacea tea can provide soothing relief for respiratory and digestive issues. Topical Echinacea creams and ointments can be applied to the skin to treat infections and promote healing. It's important to follow the recommended dosage instructions on the product labels and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. In conclusion, Echinacea is a powerful herb with a wide range of health benefits that can transform your health routine. From boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation to supporting skin health and mental well-being, Echinacea offers a natural and effective way to enhance your overall health. By incorporating Echinacea into your daily routine, you can experience the numerous benefits of this remarkable herb and improve your quality of life. Remember to choose high-quality Echinacea products and follow proper usage guidelines to maximize its health benefits. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've experienced the benefits of Echinacea in your own life.